In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a playlist in Windows Media Player Legacy. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so hit the Windows key on your PC laptop and then type in Windows Media Player Legacy. It should automatically pop up in your best match. Click into that. And now, as you can see, I've already got a playlist inside of here. And now to make a playlist, go ahead and click on the playlist tab, and then they'll say there are no playlists in this library, which is interesting because I swear I just seen a playlist, but nevertheless. All right, so click here, and then on the left hand side it will say untitled playlist. I'm just going to call this playlist 1, like so. And now we need to go ahead and add some music in here. So go to where it says music and choose the tracks you'd like to add to that playlist. So for example, I want to say if I want to add in 50 Cent, I'm going to right click it and then it'll say add to, and then look for playlist, that playlist you created. So I want to move it there. So right click, add to playlist 1. Now if I want to do this track here, right click, add to playlist 1. Now if I go to playlist 1, and then you can see all the different tracks you've added to that playlist here.